The traditional ways of restoring teeth has always been dentures or dental bridges. In which case, dental bridges, for example, they involve preparation or reduction of the neighboring teeth. And that's something that I don't do anymore. I don't believe in it, because dental implants are the best way today for creating a situation where a patient is able to have the tooth that they've been missing all these years. So that's a phenomenal treatment option for them. Well, dental implants serve as an anchor for patients' jawbone. The dental implants prevent the jawbone from deteriorating over time. And that's the best tool that we have today. When a tooth is missing, patients don't have to lose their bone anymore, because the dental implant will prevent the bone from being lost. The patients would not lose their functionality over time. They won't lose their appearance over time. They can always look good. So it serves as a foundation for teeth that would last the patient's lifetime. And that's something that they haven't had in the past.